Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the warning that your site is not secure on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, your site not being secure most likely or pretty much certainly means that you do not have an SSL certificate. SSL certificates are what allow you to use the HTTPS URL instead of the HTTP to get a secured connection to your site. If you do not have this, you will need to procure it in any way you can, and that is pretty much what I'll be explaining to you here. Now, for this, you do need to pay for some things, which I cannot afford at the moment, nor do I have a host site which provides me with a free SSL certificate, but I'll be using this article here to guide you and to explain everything to you. Now, you need to install an SSL, and you can do it in a couple of different ways. Of course, some hosts, such as I'm pretty sure Hostinger and Green Geeks, allows you to use their own SSL certification, which comes free with most plans. Some others, such as GoDaddy, might provide paid SSL certification with certain hosting plans, and you might need to install third-party SSL certificates and check if your hosting or your web host allows this to happen. Now, if your certificate has expired or if your site does not have a certificate, you will need to install it again. So let's get right into it. Firstly, of course, you should create a full site backup in case something goes wrong. But other than that, what you're going to be doing is using a plugin, and in this case, I'll be showing you how to use the really simple SSL plugin, which is the most popular as far as I know. So we're going to be using that. So first, install it and activate it on your site by going to the marketplace right here. Just go into plugins, go into marketplace, then just type in and search for really simple SSL. And it should be somewhere here. I cannot find it at the moment, but you should be able to find it. If not, just Google it and you should be able to find it, download it, and install it through a zip file. But once you do, you just need to go into the settings of the plugin and then go to SSL. As you can see, you'll get this here page. Just click on install SSL certificate, and this will bring up your system status, and that'll show you the minimum requirements to install the certificate. After that, click on save and continue if there are no issues, and then you can go ahead and enter your details in the domain wizard. Most will be pre-filled based on the status check you done in the previous step, and from then on, you can just, once you fill it out, click save and continue, and that should be it. Now, once you're done with that, you need to enter your URL of your web host and admin credentials in the hosting section, and click save and continue to go forward, and then just verify the results in the directories, click save and continue, and that should be it. After that, in generation, you can install the certificate by just clicking save and continue, and that is literally it. Then you can change your URL from HTTP to HTTPS, and your site will be secure. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.